I'm rolling.
Ready?
Yep.
Hi, I'm Ed Kaminsky, and today I'm going to be answering the most commonly asked questions about real estate on the internet. Is real estate going down? Yes. What goes up comes down. It always does at some point. If you're thinking about real estate, think in long terms. Think in 10-year increments, and whatever it goes down, it's going to come back up. Real estate has always moved like this, up and down, but always up. Why is real estate a good investment? If you're investing in real estate, especially in rental property, and your tenants are paying the mortgage, you're making money 4 different ways. Number 1, you have property appreciation. Number 2, your tenants are paying you an income. You have mortgage pay down. And then of course you have tax benefits for owning rental property. So 4 ways to make money owning real estate. So how do I know if I'm ready to buy? Are you financially qualified to purchase? What is your motivation to buy? It's really different for each individual. You know, if you want to give a rule of thumb, about 1/3 of your gross income can go towards your mortgage payment. Are realtors fiduciaries? Realtors are fiduciaries. More importantly, what the heck's a fiduciary? They have to be honest, forthright. They have to act as if they are you. Is real estate agent capitalized? It is not capitalized in the card this guy just gave me. That I can tell you. Is buying a home worth it? Is it an asset or is it a liability? Most people put it in the asset column because they have a home, they're building equity. But if you ask some investors, they're going to tell you buying a home is a liability. It's a cost that doesn't go away. You have to pay that mortgage payment, you have to pay that property tax, and you have to pay the maintenance to keep that home. This is a top question on the internet. I do have the answer to this one, but I'm not going to tell you. No. Can real estate agents have tattoos? That's, yes, they can. Do I have any? No, I don't. I've always wanted to, but I don't like needles. How do I know if my timing is right? In the past, the average length of home ownership was 7 years. The current average is 14 years. It has doubled. That means if you're holding a home for 14 years, you will move through any real estate cycle. So the timing is right when it's right for you. Why is real estate so expensive in California? It is weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, not W-H. That's the number 1 draw. Number 2 is the economic conditions. There's job opportunities here. There's dreams here. Is real estate for me? It's not for everybody. Is it for me? Yes, I love it. I love what I'm able to do for my clients and see them succeed, help them out of problems. But it's not for everybody, and it's not what you see on TV on these shows today. It's much different. How much do I pay a real estate agent? Fair question. In most states, buyers do not pay the real estate agent anything. The sellers pay a seller's real estate commission. Traditionally, it's been around 6%. Can I trust my real estate agent? If their name is Ed Kaminsky, 100%. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.